Surah, number 32, of Quran Majeed. The prostration.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
Alif Lam Mim.
Alif, Lam, Mim.
تنزيل الكتاب لا ريب فيه من رب العالمين.
The gradual sending down of the book, there is no doubt in it, is from the Lord of all the worlds.
أم يقولون افتراه بل هو الحق من ربك لتنذر قوما ما أتاهم من نذير من قبلك لعلهم يهتدون.
But they say, he has fabricated it. No, it is the truth from your Lord, that you may warn a people to whom there did not come any warner before you, so that they may be guided to the right path.
الله الذي خلق السماوات والأرض وما بينهما في 6 أيام ثم استوى على العرش ما لكم من دونه من ولي ولا شفيع أفلا تتذكرون.
It is Allah who created the heavens and the earth and whatever is between them in 6 days, then he settled on the throne. You do not have besides him any guardian or intercessor. Will you not then take admonition?
يدبر الأمر من السماء إلى الأرض ثم يعرج إليه في يوم كان مقداره 1000 سنة مما تعدون.
He directs the command from the heaven to the earth, then it ascends toward him in a day whose span is 1,000 years by your reckoning.
ذلك عالم الغيب والشهادة العزيز الرحيم.
That is the knower of the sensible and the unseen, the Almighty, the All-Merciful.
الذي أحسن كل شيء خلقه وبدأ خلق الإنسان من طين.
Who perfected everything that he created and commenced man's creation from clay.
ثم جعل نسله من سلالة من ماء مهين.
Then he made his progeny from an extract of a base fluid.
ثم سواه ونفخ فيه من روحه وجعل لكم السمع والأبصار والأفئدة قليلا ما تشكرون.
Then he proportioned him and breathed into him of his spirit, and made for you hearing, sight, and hearts. Little do you thank.
وقالوا أإذا ضللنا في الأرض أإنا لفي خلق جديد بل هم بلقاء ربهم كافرون.
They say, when we have been lost in the dust, shall we be indeed created anew? Indeed, they disbelieve in the encounter with their Lord.
قل يتوفاكم ملك الموت الذي وكل بكم ثم إلى ربكم ترجعون.
Say, you will be taken away by the angel of death, who has been charged with you. Then you will be brought back to your Lord.
ولو ترى إذ المجرمون ناكسوا رؤوسهم عند عند ربهم ربنا أبصرنا وسمعنا فارجعنا نعمل صالحا إنا موقنون.
Were you to see when the guilty hang their heads before their Lord, confessing, Our Lord, we have seen and heard. Send us back so that we may act righteously. Indeed we are, now, convinced.
ولو شئنا لآتينا كل نفس هداها ولكن حق القول مني لأملأن جهنم من الجنة والناس أجمعين.
Had we wished we would have given every soul its guidance, but my word became due against the faithless. Surely I will fill her with all the guilty, jinn and humans.
فذوقوا بما نسيتم لقاء يومكم هذا إنا نسيناكم وذوقوا عذاب الخلد بما كنتم تعملون.
So taste the punishment for your having forgotten the encounter of this day of yours. We, too, have forgotten you. Taste the everlasting punishment because of what you used to do.
إنما يؤمن بآياتنا الذين إذا ذكروا بها خروا سجدا وسبحوا بحمد ربهم وهم لا يستكبرون.
Only those believe in our signs who, when they are reminded of them, fall down in prostration and celebrate the praise of their Lord, and they are not arrogant.
تتجافى جنوبهم عن المضاجع يدعون ربهم خوفا وطمعا ومما رزقناهم ينفقون.
Their sides vacate their beds to supplicate their Lord in fear and hope, and they spend out of what we have provided them.
فلا تعلم نفس ما أخفي لهم من قرة أعين جزاء بما كانوا يعملون.
No one knows what delights have been kept hidden for them, in the hereafter, as a reward for what they used to do.
أفمن كان مؤمنا كمن كان فاسقا لا يستوون.
Is someone who is faithful like someone who is a transgressor? They are not equal.
أما الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات فلهم جنات المأوى نزلا بما كانوا يعملون.
As for those who have faith and do righteous deeds, for them will be the gardens of the abode, a hospitality for what they used to do.
وأما الذين فسقوا فمأواهم النار كلما أرادوا أن يخرجوا منها أعيدوا فيها وقيل لهم ذوقوا عذاب النار الذي كنتم به تكذبون.
As for those who have transgressed, their refuge will be the fire. Whenever they seek to leave it, they will be turned back into it and told, taste the punishment of the fire which you used to deny.
وَلَنُذِيقَنَّهُمْ مِنَ الْعَذَابِ الْأَدْنَى دُونَ الْعَذَابِ الْأَكْبَرِ لَعَلَّهُمْ يَرْجِعُونَ.
We shall surely make them taste the nearer punishment prior to the greater punishment, so that they may come back.
ومن أظلم ممن ذكر بآيات ربه ثم أعرض عنها إنا من المجرمين منتقمون.
Who is a greater wrongdoer than him who is reminded of his Lord's signs, whereat he disregards them? Indeed, we shall take vengeance upon the guilty.
ولقد آتينا موسى الكتاب فلا تكن في مرية من لقائه وجعلناه هدى لبني إسرائيل.
Certainly we gave Moses the book, declaring, "Do not be in doubt about the encounter with him," and we made it a source of guidance for the children of Israel.
وجعلنا منهم أئمة يهدون بأمرنا لما صبروا وكانوا بآياتنا يوقنون.
When they had been patient and had conviction in our signs, we appointed amongst them imams to guide the people by our command.
إن ربك هو يفصل بينهم يوم القيامة فيما كانوا فيه يختلفون.
Indeed your Lord will judge between them on the day of resurrection concerning that about which they used to differ.
أولم يهد لهم كم أهلكنا من قبلهم من القرون يمشون في مساكنهم إن في ذلك لآيات أفلا يسمعون.
Does it not dawn upon them how many generations we have destroyed before them, amid the ruins of whose dwellings they walk? There are indeed signs in that. Will they not then listen?
أولم يروا أنا نسوق الماء إلى الأرض الجرز فنخرج به زرعا تأكل منه أنعامهم وأنفسهم أفلا يبصرون.
Do they not see that we carry water to the parched earth and with it we bring forth crops, from which they eat, themselves and their cattle? Will they not then see?
ويقولون متى هذا الفتح إن كنتم صادقين.
They say, when will this judgment be, if you are truthful?
قل يوم الفتح لا ينفع الذين كفروا إيمانهم ولا هم ينظرون.
Say, on the day of judgment their newly found faith will not avail the faithless, nor will they be granted any respite.
فأعرض عنهم وانتظر إنهم منتظرون.
So turn away from them, and wait. They too are waiting.